What up? What up? I'm just setting this up. Oh. What up, Mo, bro? Yo, this market is brutal. The market's so bad. It's so fucking bad. What up, Carolina? What up? What up? How is your day going? Oh, man. Everyone having an awesome day? Just a fucking amazing day here? Mo, bro. I mean, I don't even know. I thought the top was in, to be honest, but who knows? Who freaking knows? Great day? Awesome. Yeah, that's a good idea, Steven. Oh, that sucks, Maria. That sucks. I one time had to return one, but it was only after 3 days. What's up, Scalper? Code. Did good on options. That's good. Can't have him bite. Yeah, can't have him bite. Dude, that's rough, man. Dude, the pet places, man, they fucking hit you for big money too. Big money. It's crazy. What up, Adil? Maria, my dad gets dogs that are roaming the streets in Mexico and brings them into his house. That shit's wild. I had 3 Pro. What do you just get to the almost the buffer and then it just blows? Yeah, basically he finds them in Mexico wandering. So dogs are treated differently in Mexico. They're not like they're treated very low. And he finds them, they're usually not in good shape. And he gets them their shots, cleans them up, and then he keeps the dogs. He brought 3 back to the US that are up here, and he's got more that live with him in Mexico. And yeah, it's freaking wild. Vets do think, pet vets, they do think they're heart surgeons. You pass Evo, get to about 70. Oh. Yeah, shockingly, my dad gets them and they're super loyal to him. Super like stay around him. It's crazy. It's like almost like a guard dog type situation. I don't know. He had 2 of them up here for a while. I feel like they're Americanized now. They're Americanized. These fucking dogs are like hanging around, just laying sunbathing now, eating fucking doggy treats. They went soft. I'm like, dude, that dog was roaming around killing animals for food. Like, I wouldn't let my kids around it for years. Oh my god, are we just gonna sit? Yo, he's on my neighbor's property. Bro, that guy's about 80 yards away from me, 100 yards away from me. He's just on the other side on my neighbor's property. Bro, he's got a big blower. Sounds like he's under my desk. Let me see if I move my mic. Let me see. Hold on 1 second. Yo, if I move it like this, is it better? Just wondering. Dude. the fuck? Come on, baby. Come on! Come on, man. Get my fucking get my cell on. Are you not going to come down and grab this? Oh my God. Am I really dealing with this shit right now? I'm short, Texas. I was just up a bunch and fucking didn't take it. Oh, I didn't take it. What a loser. Bro, are you fucking kidding me? Yo, not gonna lie, gold under, I think it's 116. Just creeping. I'm buying some fucking coffee real quick. Yo, my phone is acting real fucking shitty. Whoa, let's see what happens, boys and girls. I wish I took one off, to be honest with you. I'm in short, but it's not going my way. It is not going my way. I might. Oh. Only goes up. Nothing could stop it. All the way up. Man. Yo, what up, Ace? This shit's just whack. Yo, what the fuck was that? What's up, Marie? What the fuck was that? I don't blame you, Marie. Probably not a good idea to trade. It's probably not the best of ideas to be placing trades right now. It's just not going anywhere. There's no no that we don't have that thing. We don't have that movement. I thought we were going to get the 2 o'clock turnaround. And you kind of had the spike down, and then we just kind of spilled back over. That's what I thought we were going to get. But we're not. It's just hanging. I mean, the only thing a day like that today is good for is options premium to just dwindle away. Yeah. This price action sucks. Apex should launch flash sale for today only, 90% off right now. Get everybody to go complete fucking degenerate for the last hour of the market. I meant to look if I have accounts rebilling. Do I have accounts fucking rebilling? I'm in the new Apex thing, and I don't see the area. Oh, active subscriptions. All right. Bro. Holy shit. Bro, I have a bunch of fucking accounts that. Wow. I almost got rebilled $93 for an Apex account. Holy shit. Check your rebills, everybody. Woo! Yo, check your rebills, everybody. I just canceled an account that was gonna rebill me $93 fucking dollars. I'm just looking. Renewal date. Yo, just check your shit. Gold is cleaner. I gave up on the NASDAQ and started trading gold. I like gold. I love me some gold. Man, I'm just making sure I'm not getting fucking rebuild. I don't want to get rebuild $90 for a fucking account I could buy for $33. I'm just looking. Other than that, I think I'm good. It's all good in the hood. I had 4 of them. Yeah, dude. You got to go through. Dude, you'll get pounded. All of a sudden, like, you'll get rebuilt for 4 accounts for $400. And it's like, that should have been $90. Got him, man. Market don't go sideways because I need cash now. Man. Come on, baby. Come on down. Come on. Oh, look at this shit. Do I just take one off? Did I just take one off? I'm going to take one off. It's $100. All that did was just lock in some gains. The rest I got to hold. See, at least I got out of the position. I locked in some gains, and whatever happens, happens. Not in futures, I don't. In stocks and options, I do. I might take this off right here in this account, and I might add back in if it bounces to like 44. Only because that's the smart thing to do. Who's in this? Who's in this? Who's trying to get paid? What am I going to hold? So the one thing about this account that you see is you don't want to do too much money in an elite trader funding account, because then every trading day is based off of your highest day, 23% of your highest day. So you don't want to have a day of like $2,000, because I did that in this account. So now every day I need $540 for it to count as a trading day. So now you kind of want to keep it at like $400 or $500 a day. We don't love them hoes. I think it's going to go all the way down to VWAP. I think we're going downtown. I think we're in for a little dump ski. Little dump skeet, skeet, skeet. Might have a little bounce here, but I think the overall trend is going to bring us down. If I get stopped out, I get stopped out. What's up, Juan? I mean, that's a great place to bounce. It's literally the top of the orb, right? Great place to bounce. I'm just kind of playing for the big one. I feel like the big move is going to be down to at least VWAP. It's going all right. It's going all right. Do not give money back. Do not give money back. I'd like to see it freaking dump here. Either way, we're up, guys. I mean, we did it. It's a nice trade.
Just a yes or no, you still do not have a plan.
I have concepts of a plan.
I have concepts of a plan.
We did it. We did it, Joe.
Institutions weekend? What's that? We did it. We did it, Joe. Come on, blow right through this motherfucker. It blows through here. I think we're going to see 25,500. Golden hose. Oh. Come on. Dump it. Oh, yeah. Oh, my God. We were right there. Why didn't you just do it? Just give it up. Yo, market doesn't want to give it up yet. It says it has a stomach ache and a headache right now, so it doesn't want to give it up. It's going to wait a little bit. It told me tomorrow yesterday, and it's still not giving it up here. So I don't really know what's going on. Gold looks like it's going to bounce right to like 33 and then down. Come on. Let's go. Let's do it one time. Honestly, not worrying about losses. Losses. I took losses today in Apex accounts. Like, I just shelf them, don't blow them, and I say, hey, you know what? I'll be back with them. I'll be back with them on Monday, and that's it. And I just move to another account. But I don't revenge trade. I don't know. I don't revenge trade really. You're just kind of waiting. I would say it's just a mental game. Honestly. Just the mental side of trading is what's going to really separate you from the next person. If you're, trading the same strategy, it's, how sure are you versus the other guy? And do you care if you're looking at red and it's going against you, but you know you're going to be right? Like, I could have bailed on this position. I was fucking getting, I was in and it looked like it was going to pop, right? I mean, we're up 10 points against me. I'm in 2 minis. It's $400 against me. I was actually in 4 minis because I was in 2 in each account. Like, I just know, hey, man, I know I'm going to be right. I've seen it over and over again. I just waited it out. I'm going to be trading crypto this weekend. Anybody want to get fucking wild with crypto? Does PayPal have earnings? Oh, PayPal does have earnings. I was like, why are the premiums so juiced for PayPal next week? The business lens. I want to be in this time. Okay. You're in. You just got to be on the stream. I feel like it's so hard to trade crypto on the weekend. I don't know. It depends on where we are, I would say. Everything is where we are on the chart. I'll just bring one up real fast. Crypto. See, like, Solana is not looking like, I'm not jumping in fucking Solana right now. You know, I would have bought Solana right here on Wednesday. You know, I'm not only saying because it bounced, but look, you're down, down, down. You bounce off this order block. You have a small inversion right here and you close. I actually did buy that. I actually did buy this. I did buy this. Let me see if I have the fucking thing. I share I share an account with somebody, and me and him trade in a crypto account. We shorted Aster for 89%. I'm almost positive I was in Seoul. So long. Yo, did they just get me out? They just got me out. I would say I would be possibly interested to rebuy this. What up, Chris? You're short some BTC. Is there props for that? I don't know if there's got to be crypto props. I got to look into it. I've been thinking about it. I just trade my own money. Yo, just copying others. Yeah, I don't know. I just kind of do my same things. Bit funded. I use Mexi. I'm a big Mexi guy. Not that one is better than the other. It's just what I like. Power hour. Friday power hour. I wonder what's going to happen here. Oh, Bit funded is a crypto prop. Oh, I just cracked my ankles. Oh my God. Dude, how expensive is it? Bro, there's a 2 stages. Stage 1 and then a stage 2. Oh, they got 1 steps. $100. Bro, a 50K account is $3.99. I don't know how that works though. So on a 5K account, do I have $5,000 of buying power? Like, I'm gonna have to look to see how it works. Oh, you have 5K of margin. Daily drawdown? Yeah, I don't know. I gotta look. I gotta look at this shiznick. I'm not a I have my own money and I use leverage, so it's not like I, tired. Good balance point. My code works on, yes, it works at Fidias. My code works everywhere. If you're buying liquor at the store up the block, code Cove Trader works. They give you a free steel reserve. Yeah, I use Fidias. I use Fidias every day. I have 5 funded accounts with Fidias. Yo, if you used code Cove Trader at the dispensary, they'll give you some stuff you're gonna wake up on Sunday morning with. Yeah, I have five funded accounts with Fidias. I also have a bunch of evals with them, but I've gotten paid out through Fidias a bunch of times already. Yeah, Fidias is legit. I've never had an issue with them. I use Quant Tower with them. Here, you want to see? Look at my Quant. I'll show you. I personally love using them. Only because I can use Quant Tower. So these are all cash accounts. See, cash. So that means it's a funded account. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And they're close to a payout. Once you get to $52,600, you could take out $2,000. So these are all getting close to $2,000 payouts. Just working them up. Today was shitty, but I got $100 basically in each one of them. Quant Tower. I like Quant Tower. Yeah, I trade right off Quant Tower. Yep. It's like trading on Tradeify. It's its own platform. I like it because the speed of putting orders in is super quick. If you hold, so there's a mouse button, you click it, and then if you hold the control, you can just put orders in real fast. Super nice. Any concerns about Project X after this week? Fuck Topstep. I'm not using. I'm not a Project X fan, and being that Topstep is the most expensive prop firm there is, I'm probably not going to use Topstep. If you like paying more and using a lesser platform, Topstep's the way to go. I just think they're super expensive. You can get better shit other places. So that's how I feel about Topstep. You got your funded and really don't qualify for it? That's hysterical. I don't know. I just think it's weird. I just think the platform, every time I buy with Project X, I am automatically down in my position. Every fucking time. Every single time. I hit the buy button and I'm like, oh, I'm down $40 already. How the fuck did that happen? It's almost like they have a built-in, slippage in there. Like 1-2 ticks. It's crazy. I'm like, what is this black magic that they have that I'm just always down? Got to dig myself out. They're like, haha, I got him again. Yeah, I'm fucking out. I will tell you two things. One, when Black Friday comes next month, I might have accounts at every single prop firm that there is. Yeah. I just look for deals, but like maintain like a high level firm, not like I'm not in Aquaman futures or anything, but I stick to some of the better firms and I just look for deals. When someone's offering a deal, I typically jump on it. Man, I'm exhausted. I got to go do some event tonight too. Yo, Aquaman futures. What's funny is I get emails all the time from these random no-name prop firms. They're like, hey, you wanna collaborate? I'm like, do you mean collaborate by me just telling everybody in my chat to go use your firm? Like, that's not collaborating. And no, I'd never even heard of you. Ninja Trader versus Quant Tower. Ninja Trader is great to copy trade Evade accounts because when I'm over there, I use Replicanto, so I can trade on here and copy trade. Other than that, I don't trade on Ninja Trader. It sucks trading on Ninja Trader. Quant Tower is a better platform. I'm going to the Donkey Show. Oh my dude, I am fucking exhausted. So I think doesn't Rhythmic work on quant? What are you using to copy trade code? Also, I'm pretty sure Rhythmic works with Quant Tower. That's where I have Rhythmic accounts. They work on Quant Tower. What were you using as the copy trader? Were you using Replicanto or were you using something else? Yeah, Rhythmic is for quant. Oh man. Dude, my phone's at 7%. Hold on 1 second. I'm right here. I'm not going anywhere. I'm just off the screen for 2 seconds. I'm just plugging this in. Oh. I'm going out right after the market, so I got to charge my phone up. Probably the same one I used. The bugs. If you used a free one, the free one sucks. Replicanto is legit. What's good, investors? What up? What up? What up? Man, it's just freaking dude, I was just gonna freaking I guess I can just look at it right here. Oh my god. Yeah, I don't know. Did you pay for it though, Captain, or was it free? Pro accounts on my funded futures are 20% off right now. Code Cove Trader. You got to have ball sack Friday. So you know what I think we're just going to do? We're going to run the numbers game now and numbers game later on. That's what we're going to do. I don't have time to do all the duck races and stuff today, to be honest with you, because after the stream, I got to pack it in and head out. So we're going to run numbers now and then numbers at 4:03. And then we have to have ball sack Friday, obviously. It's a must. I cannot go into my weekend without ball sack Friday. Right? So I'm going to do a random number. Bro, the random number is down. Let's see if it's down on my computer. Random.org. Bro, I think the random number is down. All right, well, I use something different this time because the randomnumber.org is down. All right, get ready. Hold on. Ready? It's 1 through 100. Ready, set, go. 1 mini, 1 micro, 5 micros. Never forget. Oh, shit. Yo, somebody got it. Somebody got it. Number was 25. I gotta do the control F and see who it was. Somebody's be like, I got that. Cash the NQ. Cash the NQ. You put 24, 1 off. Almost. We'll do it. We'll do it one more time at the end of the day, and then we'll do a ball sack Fridays. Got to have ball sack Fridays. What would one do without ball sack Friday? I can't go into the weekend. Yo, I thought about it first. Yo, what's up, Mr. Mulatto? Definitely rigged. Definitely rigged. I don't know why randomnumber.org is down. Free hand job. Rigged. Now tell me what I won. You won straight to the ball sack, Cash. You got to win the race at the end of the day. Didn't win anything yet. Nah, we're doing ball sack race. Yo, waiting for your payout. So far today, I made 12 and lost. Yo, what, TJ? Yeah, I have Lucid Guitar Guy. Yep. Dude, I thought I won. I thought whoever guesses the number has to pay me the money. Is that not how it works? I like Lucid. Lucid's not bad. My funded futures is only 5%. What do you mean? The pro account is 20 off. Mulatto. Pro. Yeah, Lucid's good. You could pass in one day, and then I think they have 40% consistency rule after that. The only issue with Lucid is they have a daily loss limit, which kind of sucks because I got hit on the daily loss limit, and the NQ came all the way back, and I would have been up, but I got daily loss limited. Yeah, I don't know, Chris. That's why I just scalped it. I got $60 and I'm at break even. I mean, I don't know, but I'm taking my money where I can take my money at this point. I'm going to try updating this over the weekend, but this is where I have people ask me about deals and everything. This is where all the deals I post are. What the deal is. Yo, I got to get rid of Lucid. I added it on yesterday. They no longer have $45 resets. I think they got rid of it like last night. Anderson, today was rough. No, on the eval, they don't. Guitar. And on the funded, it's 40%. Come on. Go! I need over $200 for this to count as a trading day. So I'm just kind of waiting. Well, we're waiting. Anybody jump in? Go. In an eval, guitar guy, eval has no consistency. You could pass today. You could have passed on this one move. Yeah, you could pass it one day if you get the account. I'm trying to think what the deal is. They got 45% off Lucid code Cove Trader right now. They had $45 resets until yesterday. I think they stopped it last night. Waiting for this bear flag to break on gold. I still got my Solana up. Getting ready for crypto weekends. Yo, I'm going to tell you right now, TJ. Gold's going what? Gold is not. Watch this. Gold's not going to fuck. Dude, gold looks awesome on the fucking. On the 4 hour. Man, it's going to take a little bit to play out, but to see they had a small inversion, they came back, they retested it, held, and now it's pumping back up. I bet you gold sees 171. That's just my opinion. Obviously, you do whatever you want to do. Also, you got to remember, I'm looking at a 4-hour fucking chart, and this may not happen until Sunday. You know what I'm saying? I know what you're talking about. You think it's going to like break down? I don't. We shall see. Fucking. Yo, you ate your lunch money? It's eating a lot more than my lunch money. That I can tell you. Gold is giving me a shower. A nice golden shower. That I can tell you. I have gotten many great showers from it. So, yo. I don't even ask for it. They just give me them. Free golden showers. Oh, it's crazy. Oh, the first scene in Billions. You know what was weird about that? Like, I thought when I saw that opening scene, I thought there was going to be a lot more of that in Billions, and there wasn't. No, I like trading gold on the higher time frames. So, like, I would take gold long. My stop would be 17. My stop would be 117. So that's really where my stop should be. And I would take it back up on a 4-hour chart. Got to remember, I'm talking 4 hours, not. This is how I like trading it. Doesn't mean it's going to work out. I traded gold earlier to the upside right here off of an inversion. Should have held that one. Holy shit, I should have held that one. You're stuck on trading the dude's getting pissed on. I know. For some reason I'm getting stuck on trading the ES. I'm not a big ES guy, personally. Some people love the ES, man. I would say whatever works for you. That's where I would go with that. I mean, the ES is, I want to say, smoother, if that's the right word. I think you can get less trouble with the ES, but it's also going to move a lot slower. Why does it move slower? It's just a smaller nominal amount. You're at 25,000 versus 6,000. You're getting your gold short. I feel like if I don't play gold on the high time frames, I get hosed. It only works for me on the hourly and 4 hour. If I try to trade gold on the 5 minute or 1 minute, I get hosed every time. It's got to be on the 1 and the 4. What about the S&P? What about it, Steven? The ES is the S&P, but what about it? Man, there's also the Russell, the RTY people use. I don't trade the RTY, but that's another one. I don't know. Hello, afternoon chat and cool. What up, helpful? Yeah. S&P is the ES, NASDAQ is the NQ. I was going to say QQQ. The YM is the Dow. RTY is the Russell. Trying to think what other ones there are. I mean, then you got, gold, silver you could trade, platinum, copper, home heating oil, also known as crude oil. You got Mick. If I knew it was going to dump 100%, I would get in. I'd call grandma, tell grandma to get in. I would tell grandma's friends at the bingo club, tell them to all get in, and we'd all make money. Make so much money, her friends would be giving me gummers. But I don't really know if we are going to get a dump. I think it's a coin flip. Yeah, you got corn, you got wheat, you got soybeans. You got all types of stuff. You can trade fat hogs. What else is there? There's a bunch more. Futures contracts, E-Trade. There's a lot more. Yeah, OJ, coffee. You can trade coffee. Oh, here you go. You could trade the VIX. Oh, you could trade the Nikkei. You could trade natural gas, gasoline. You could trade T-notes, palladium. You could trade Kansas City wheat. You could trade oats, mini wheat, corn. You could trade coca, cotton, coffee, orange juice, sugar, live cattle, feeder cattle, lean hogs, a little crypto. I mean, you could trade a lot of shit, man. Yeah, and currencies. I feel like if you're going to trade currencies, though, you're going to go on a Forex platform. You're going to try the 1 hour gold chart. I mean, now it's 3:30 on a Friday isn't exactly the best time to take a trade on a 4 hour chart. Like, let's all recognize that. You know, obviously not the best of times, but with that said, it's how is Forex? I've never traded futures on currencies. I've done Forex where you get leverage with like Oanda, but I've never done it with I've never done it on the futures exchange. I might have hit the button on here one time just to see what happens, but yeah, Forex is crazy, man. I mean, listen, you're just a little guy. Like, no one's looking to see where you bought. But yeah, it's just another thing to trade. So don't sell puts at all time. I mean, have you ever seen this chart? This is the daily chart, right? I mean, all-time highs. I mean, imagine if you stayed out of the market. Imagine if you sat on the sidelines because we were at all-time highs. I mean, how much money would you have missed out on if you didn't trade all-time highs? I mean, you'd miss out on all this shit. If you were not a fan of all-time highs, you'd miss out on the whole fucking COVID run. I hate all-time highs. Fucking, the market is designed to go up. Yeah, do I think we can get something like this at some point where we go down for about a year? Yeah, I do think something like that is coming our way. If not down, kind of sideways for a while. I remember trading in this shit, like, where we went nowhere for a year. And then all of a sudden it just took off. And then COVID happened. Yeah, you can invest in stocks. Yeah, I mean, I always tell people, like, if you're going to invest in stocks, invest in a company that you don't mind owning, that you're not investing in today, you're investing for a year from now. If you think that company is growing, if you think that company's going to be growing, why not? Are we going to catch an epic short here? I mean, as inflation happens, market's going to go up. Bro, if that guy's smart, he'll never go public. Not only is he making like $300 million a year for himself, but he has access to everybody's OnlyFans account. That guy's watching it all. I'm just trying to scalp some money to make up for this gold short that's not happening. Great. My friend invested in NVIDIA because he liked the chips because he's a gamer. Yeah. NVIDIA is like not even worth that much. The best piece of investing advice I could say is look around in your environment, right? What do you see the trends are? And then you look to see if they're public and has it started to take off yet? And if it's public and it hasn't started to take off yet, you might have, oh man, this thing's gonna. If it hasn't, it hasn't started, I mean, you might be onto something. Like, I liked Facebook. I knew Facebook was going to be, I knew Shopify was going to be big. Like, you just look around your environment and you could find companies that are going to be big without, you don't have to be some fucking analyst. You just look at what real world trends are. He made good money on it. He threw like 10 G's in it. I don't know what it's at now, but he's taken some off. But he threw like 10 grand in it. Just fucking unload this. This market just wants to unload. All right, I'm going to fucking get out. I would still stay in it if we had more time. We're running out of time here. Time is not on my side right now. That I can tell you. I feel like this is going to dump here, by the way. I have no idea why. It just feels like it's going to dump. You made a lower high here, and I just feel like it's going to roll. Like it's just going to roll over. If any of you guys ever want to talk investing in companies and stocks, like I'm always up for that shit. Bro, what the absolute fuck just happened? Hold on. Dude, suddenly I'm in just have fucking bad news? The fuck happened? Oh, motherfucker. I'm not holding this shit over the weekend. My bad. There's bad news that came out about something. Amazon's offering some shit. And I'm just getting out of it because I have a feeling it's going to gap down on Monday. It's TTD. It's advertising. And everyone's running to the gates on it. So it could trade back down $5. I don't want to get caught in it, have a bad fucking Monday. And I don't want to worry about it. So I just kind of took it off. Amazon is offering some free DSP for advertising, and I don't have time to read the article, but it's directly affecting TTD, so I don't want to. I don't even want to be involved in it. Amazon has fakes. Yeah. No, this is advertising platform that Amazon's offering. Has nothing to do with products. What do you think causes the bad Fridays? Overtrader options. What about options? Are you fucking kidding me? Dude, I would only write weeklies. I don't buy weeklies. Buying them is straight gambling. And they expire worthless and you lose all your money. Nah. Come on, drop it like it's. Let's go. Drop it like it's motherfucking hot. Yo, this action today was awful. Friday action was awful. I'm not even going to lie. Price action was brutal. Price action was just brutal today. Oh, yeah. That's the problem with MOC, I noticed, is the fills are awful. It used to not be like that. Nah, it used to be like you got filled at the spot, and now it's just awful. Sean, they need to let this go under 530. Yo, if they can close this at 25,500, oh man, it'd make for such a good end of day. This is kind of come on. Come on. This day was straight ass. Rah, rah, rah. Come on, baby. Dude, I don't know. If I had more time, I would take if my stop would be at 17. I don't know where it's at, but I would have gotten stopped. Oh my god, dude. They're just hanging this right here. I know, Sean. It's like one of those things that if it does it, you're gonna bank. It's just doesn't do it. What I found with the core accounts helpful is I get in, I move to break even, and then I just let it just fucking move because it's an end of day account. So it's an end of day account. So trailing drawdown doesn't matter. So if you can just get to break even and just let it sit there and be like, oh, well, whatever happens, happens. That's how I like playing my core accounts. Oh, put that fucking big red candle in there. Come on. Get under. Get under. Get low like Little John, baby. Yo, just so you know, I can't walk out empty-handed here. I can't. I fucking took one. I got it back. Let's see. I'm living dangerous. Oh, it's just gonna let it fucking go. Yo, I called this shit though. You're welcome. Right in the Moana voice. You're welcome. Wow. Hey man. It had it. It had it. It had it. Look at this shit. Yo. Ray is still, yo, I might take a fucking bounce right here. Oh! Wait, Cove Stream clap. Yo, we did it, guys. We did it. Yo. Was that not fucking awesome? Little Hundy on the bounce. Little Hundy. We did it. We did it, Cove. Oh, man. Dude. We got the short.
We did it. We did it, Joe.
Yo, is that not? Yeah, move to break even. DGen knob. I like it. Wow. Who's your daddy? Who's your daddy? And what does he do? Oh, man. That was awesome. All right. We're going to fire up numbers game real fast. And then we're going to have ball sack Fridays because I got dad life to attend to. I mean, that was an awesome end of the day. We caught the short. We caught the short and got the bounce, got basically all my money back. Made a little money here, and I copied it on my other fucking accounts. Dude, I got dad shit going on all the time, man. Let's see if random.org is back. Oh, no, they're not. Random number. Just give me a random number, Google. 1 through 100. Just clicking it a couple times, see what I get. Trying to get one that's like, all right, we got this one. All right, random number game. 1 through 100, guess. Ready, set, go. Ooh, somebody was right there. It's 50 to 100. This one's a hard one, too. It's 50 through 100. It's 70 through 100. Oh, man. It's 80 through 100. The number is 88. The number is 88. Somebody type in 88. I don't think anyone's typed in 88. Oh, you typed in 88? Well, we're going to see because it's probably fucking grayed out on your screen. Hold on 1 second. $316. Angry Ace won. Angry Ace. Yeah, I didn't see it, dude. I didn't see it. It was going on. It was going too fast for me. Yeah, it was. Oh, it's not Angry. I keep calling you Angry Ace. Argy Ace. I just call it Ace won. All right, here we go, everybody. All right, ready? Look, if I go before Ace, right? See, it says 403. Mick put it in at 316. The next one is Ace at 403. Then Monet, and then Piano. See, it goes like that. The first one to do it is Ace. TJ got whammied. Thanks for reminding me, TJ. You had it on your screen before them, but you can only go on one screen. Is it grayed out? I have to ask, is it grayed out? Because if it's grayed out, YouTube did not allow it through. And that therefore it didn't come through. Go look if it's grayed out or not. Helpful. If that number is gray, YouTube didn't allow it to go through. Yeah, YouTube. What happens is everyone's screen is different, so you got to go off my screen, and that's why I show everybody, because everybody wants to see it. So, TJ, you have redemption. You ready? TJ, you got to bounce on that thing. It's not looking good for you, Cash. Don't tire out. That's like a good ball sack Friday. Ace. Because it's Friday, if you happen to get whammied, we'll figure it out. You guys voted for it anyways, but scroll and verify rigged. What happened, Texas? What happened? Yo, what up, Juan? Yeah. Listen, we do this every single day, and I show you guys on my screen. I selected the winner from the first round. $4:03. Angry Argy Ace. 4:03 p.m. What's this? That's the second round. Texas, is that not the second round right there? Look, 4:03. You want a trade day 50K account, but I don't understand. It's timestamp 4:03 Ace. Oh yeah, dude, you got this is the only chat we go by. It's my Streamlabs chat because everyone's screen is different. If I went by what everybody else sees, we'll have 8 different winners. Trust me. To me personally, it doesn't matter who wins. I just want somebody in the chat to win. Shoot me an email. I have to run out and go do some shit with my kids. And I'm going to be trading crypto over the weekend in the Discord. If you're new, Discord link is in the description of this video. We stream live every day. If you want to support the stream, use code COVETRADER. I appreciate everybody. Have a great weekend. And that's pretty much it. Peace.
I'm a trading deck, spinning the wheel, chasing the charts for the ultimate deal. It doesn't burn no fire in me, only numbers light my ecstasy. Do not come, do not come. I know to come when the market runs. Billions and billions stack the sum. Life's a race and I've already won. Dark races running with coupon codes.
Yeah, all good, man. All good, Texas. All good. I answered everybody about it. All good.
Do not come, do not come. I'm gonna come when the market runs.
Dude, all good, man.
Billions stack the sum. Life's a race and I've already won.
I'm out officially. Peace.